but I'm not plugged in.
Professional.
Yes, you get sleek service with us. This is just in case I forget the lyrics, it's not sheet music. Obviously, this is hugely exciting for us to be here with these amazing people today, so yeah. That was a song from one of Mr. Redford's movies, and this is one from Mr. Burnett's. Your heart's on the loose. You roll them sevens with nothing to lose. This ain't no place for the weary kind. You called all your shots, shooting a ball at the corner truck stop.